break her face. We're the winners of this race.
You're so excited.
Excited.
They smile, they pray, but they want her gone today. Ra-ra, rip her apart. Hey, hey, tear out her heart. Ever since I was a girl, everyone would freeze and stare. I never asked to wake their envy, but somewhere's right when you're just there. I wasn't loud, I wasn't shining, I was simply trying to breathe. But monsters and mascara hate a woman within her peace. Whispers written in the shadows, poison dripping from their lips. Ugly souls in human bodies waiting for a chance to rip. Every hug a hidden dagger, every laugh a perfect trap. Monsters and mascara strike the second you turn your back. The banshee distributor screaming, every breath I take a cry. Two-faced sweetness for the men, but a demon when it's mine. My sister with the brittle grin, living in a graveyard mind, turning gossip into corpses just to feel a pulse inside. True innocence of the echo when it cried. Called it mercy, called it fate, but a monster always lies. And I still kept smiling steady like she couldn't touch my soul. You don't break up a circle, you just sharpen a control. The hair witch with her shaking hands, scissor twitching with the spite, sent her little gremlin forward just to dim my natural light. Every claw came out together when they finally understood I was never theirs to break. I was always built for good. She's the one they fear, scream queen in the mirror. They hate what they can't crush, so they whisper while they cheer. Let them go with your crown, let them try to drag you down. Berserker when they rise, where the weak ones drown. Yeah, they sharpen their lies while they smile in your eyes, but the ones who survive walk with knives in their hands. I didn't flirt, I didn't try, I just breathed and watched them break. It wasn't looks or ever vanity, it was the strength they couldn't take. Every room would shift around me, every truth would show its teeth, and the women full of shadows felt their ugliness beneath. They wanted my collapse, like a feast at midnight's door, wearing friend masks over monsters, hiding claws beneath the floor. But every curse they raised at me just refined who I'd become. They fed the fire in my blood, they built the warrior I'm from. I took their gossip, made it gasoline, lit the matches aimed at me. Blood red lips, battle born bones, men rising through broken thrones. They circle back with claws again, but I just grin. I know how it ends. She's the one they fear, scream queen in the mirror. They hate what they can't kill, so they whisper while they cheer. Chosen one won't bow, never bow to the crowd. Power fought in war, can't be taken down. You walk alone, but they were never strong. Every shadow hunting you, feared you all along. You're the fire they couldn't kill, the storm they couldn't chain. You rose from everyone, caught from thunder, caught from pain. Let them tremble, let them flee, now they run from me. They made the nightmare and I'm what made me. Bleed for the story, hey, scream, the queen. Can't kill, power, Berserker, with me never die. Run from me. They smile, they pray, but they